Welcome to the joys of homeownership. One of the important maintenance tasks you'll need to tackle is cleaning your gutters. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a straightforward and rewarding job. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you do it safely and effectively. Gather your materials. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything you need. A sturdy ladder, preferably with a stabilizer for extra security. Work gloves to protect your hands. Safety goggles to shield your eyes from debris. A garden trowel or gutter scoop for removing debris. A bucket or garbage bags for collecting debris. A garden hose with a spray nozzle for flushing out the gutters. A plumber's snake or wire hanger for any stubborn clogs. An extension pole with a gutter cleaning attachment, optional, for those who prefer to stay on the ground. A leaf blower with a gutter attachment, also optional, for quicker debris removal. A small brush or old toothbrush for scrubbing tough spots. Caulk or gutter sealant for minor repairs. And, if possible, a helper to assist with ladder stability and handing tools. Safety first. Safety is paramount. Choose a dry, calm day for cleaning your gutters. Wet and windy conditions can make the job hazardous. Make sure your ladder is on a stable, flat surface, and if you can, use a stabilizer to prevent it from slipping or damaging the gutters. Wearing gloves and safety goggles will protect you from sharp debris and splashes. If you can, have someone nearby to help hold the ladder and hand you tools. Step-by-step cleaning. Set up your ladder. Position your ladder near a downspout. Make sure it's secure before climbing up. Avoid overreaching. Move the ladder as needed. Remove debris by hand. Once you're up there, put on your gloves and start scooping out the larger debris with a garden trowel or gutter scoop. Place the debris into a bucket or garbage bag. Flush with water. After removing most of the debris, use your garden hose with a spray nozzle to flush out the remaining dirt. Start at the end farthest from the downspout and work your way towards it. If you encounter any tough spots, use a small brush or old toothbrush to scrub them clean. Clear the downspouts. If the water isn't draining properly, there might be a clog in the downspout. You can use a plumber's snake or a wire hanger to clear it. Insert the tool from the bottom and work it up to loosen the blockage. Then, flush the downspout again with water. Inspect for damage. As you clean, keep an eye out for any damage to your gutters, like rust spots, leaks, or loose brackets. It's easier to fix these issues now than to deal with bigger problems later. Use caulk or gutter sealant for minor repairs, and tighten any loose brackets. Optional tools. If you prefer to stay on the ground, you can use an extension pole with a gutter cleaning attachment. This tool can reach your gutters without a ladder. A leaf blower with a gutter attachment can also make the job faster, but remember to follow all safety precautions. Preventive measures. Install gutter guards to make future cleanings easier. They help keep out debris, reducing the frequency of cleanings. Trim overhanging branches. Keeping trees and branches trimmed back from your roof will minimize the amount of leaves and twigs that end up in your gutters. Check for nesting pests. Occasionally check for signs of birds, rodents, or insects that might nest in your gutters and remove them to prevent blockages and damage. Regular inspections. Even if your gutters appear clean, regularly inspect them for wear and tear. Early detection of issues like rust, leaks, or sagging can prevent bigger problems. Regular maintenance. Make it a habit to clean your gutters at least twice a year, ideally in the spring and fall. Regular cleaning will help prevent blockages and water damage, saving you time and money in the long run. In areas with heavy foliage or frequent storms, you might need to clean them more often. Troubleshooting common problems. Persistent clogs. If clogs persist despite regular cleaning, consider installing larger downspouts or additional ones to improve drainage. Sagging gutters. Gutters that sag or pull away from the house may need additional brackets or fasteners. Inspect and reinforce as necessary. Leaks and holes. Small leaks can be sealed with gutter sealant, while larger holes may require patches or sections of the gutter to be replaced. Overflowing gutters. If your gutters overflow during heavy rain, they may be too narrow for your roof size. Consider upgrading to a larger size to handle more water. Final thoughts. Seasonal checkups. Perform a quick inspection each season to ensure your gutters are clear and functioning properly. Know when to call a professional. If you're uncomfortable with heights, have a large home with high gutters, or encounter significant damage, it's best to hire a professional. Invest in quality tools. Quality tools and materials can make the job easier and more efficient. Consider investing in a good ladder stabilizer, high-quality gloves, and durable gutter guards. By following these steps and tips, you'll ensure your gutters are in great shape, protecting your home from potential damage. Happy cleaning!